This is my brother Wyatt. He has Down syndrome and has a lot of trouble walking long distances and climbing up and down stairs without a railing. This makes it hard to camp, hike, travel, and even go to parks. We want him to be independent and get to experience everything other people can. He uses a wheelchair when he needs to walk long distances, but he can walk and use stairs with railings. Many people need help going up and down stairs. Public stairs can be very hard because they are different sizes and may not have railings for support. Many other walkers on the market allow for stair walking, but no other walker can do what the Stair Walk 1.0 can do. Most walkers are heavy, large, and difficult to transport. What if your walker could fit into this bag? It could be carried to trails on a hike, camping sites, and parks with ease. It can be attached to the back of a wheelchair or a stroller. Introducing the Stairwalk 1.0. Made of aluminum and durable plastic, this walker is lightweight, portable, and adjustable. It is easy to put together in just minutes. For the low cost of just $99.
Dedicated to my brother Wyatt.